Welcome viewer, I am REAGENTC.EXE. This video tutorial describes, fix REAGENTC.EXE. The Windows re-image was not found. First right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Disk have recovery partition. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Type cell space, disk space, 0. Type list space, part. Select recovery partition. Type del space, part space, override. Type exit. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type REAGENTC space, /info, re-status is disabled. Type REAGENTC space, /enable. Open File Explorer, click View, click Folder Options. Check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, allows uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files, click OK, click Apply, click OK. Open Recovery folder. Winre.wim file not available on recovery folder. Find Install.wim file from CD drive sources folder or C drive. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type DISM space, /mount -wim space, /wim file colon Install.wim file location. Also create mount folder in C drive. /index colon 1 space, /mount dir colon C colon \mount space, /red. Open Mount folder. Windows, System 32 folder. Recovery folder. Copy Winre.wim and paste it into C drive recovery folder. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type REAGENTC/enable. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.